Hi all, welcome back to Weekend Vlogs. Hope everyone is good. And today I have come with a quick vlog which includes two yummy delicious recipes, a baked pasta and a quick refreshing drink, a dragon fruit juice. Hope you all like watching it, so keep watching. Firstly, I am showing my version of TikTok trending pasta with the cherry tomatoes. Firstly, adding some olive oil on the baking dish and adding the cherry tomatoes. Along with this, we need to add some garlic pods, some oregano, little chili flakes. Nicely bake for at least 30 minutes. It's super simple. Cherry tomatoes are toasted with olive oil and placed in a baking dish and adding some herbs. When it bakes up completely, releasing their sweet and jammy flavors. While baking, boil water and cook your pasta as per the package instructions. In between, cutting some vegetables as well. Next, we need to make a vegetable and chicken filling for the pasta bake. The pasta bake is only in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes, which is not enough time to cook the raw meat and vegetables. So, they need to be cooked before mixing with the pasta and the sauce. So, let's make a filling. This is actually chopping up everything and then cook it on the stove with a splash of oil, pinch of salt with your desired spices. Firstly, I added some olive oil, adding some broccoli, adding some salt, added some capsicum red and green, adding some mushrooms. You can add any vegetables of your choice and it has to cook for at least about 3 minutes. Now into this adding some chicken stock and let it boil for some time. Actually, instead of chicken stock you can add water as well. Nicely mix well. Now I am adding some sriracha sauce. Instead of this you can add some tomato sauce as well. Nicely mix well and finally add the cooked chicken. If you are a vegetarian you can skip this and saute well and the yummy vegetable and chicken filling is ready. Now it's time to take out our tomato dish, which is baked about 30 minutes in the oven. Now we have to lightly mash with a fork or a potato masher. Wonderful aroma is coming out of it. Now let's make a simple white sauce. In a kadai, heat about 1.5 tablespoons of butter. Add 1.5 tablespoons of maida. Stir continuously and cook for a minute. Pour 1.5 cups milk little by little while stirring continuously. Stir and mix for 1 to 2 minutes. If required, you can add a cheese slice. I have also added. Reduce the flame to low. Continue stirring, cooking until the mixture starts to thicken. It will take around 3 to 4 minutes depending upon the size and thickness of your pan. Add little amount of herbs. Add little amount of salt and sugar and the silky smoothie white sauce is ready to serve. Now the last and the final part, the process of layering. Yes, into the prepared tomato dish, add the half of the cooked macaroni for the bottom layer. Spoon half of the vegetable and the chicken mixture. On top of that, add the white sauce. Again the macaroni, again the veg and the chicken filling, and again the white sauce. And finally, top it up with some cheese. You can use any type of cheese you want, also how much ever you want. and bake for at least 20 to 25 minutes or until heated through and cheese has melted. Remove from the oven and let it stand for at least 5 to 10 minutes and then serve. This late pasta dish is a quick and easy to make for a dinner or even lunch, and the crunch of the vegetables makes this a winner every time. The crunchiness of the bell peppers and the tomato makes this late pasta very special. Definitely try this out and send me the feedback. Next, I'm going to show a dragon fruit drink. This is absolutely healthy, refreshing, and really tasty. I hope you give it a try for yourself and for your little ones. Firstly, I have taken one dragon fruit and cut into cubicle. This will approximately comes around 1 cup. If it is frozen, well and good. Into the blender, adding the dragon fruit, chia seeds and the coconut water. You can use tender coconut water as well. Now add a little amount of sugar. If you don't want sugar, then don't add. Little water and little ice cubes. Nicely blend well and the yummy, delicious dragon fruit drink is ready. A highly nutritious drink, also it tastes really yum. I would say it's a must try. I highly recommend you to try all these recipes because it was really yummy and delicious. And if you're watching my video for the first time, please do subscribe. And if you like my video, please give a thumbs up. So definitely thanks for watching and keep supporting.